Hello everybody, this is Alex from soyachincha.com. Just a month after introducing the city hatchback, Honda Malaysia has finally launched the 11th gen Honda Civic in Malaysia. Here's everything you need to know. The new Civic, which carries the codename FE, comes in a total of 3 variants: E, V, and a range-topping RS model. All 3 variants come with a 1.5-litre turbo petrol engine and all are equipped with Honda sensing as standard. That's a huge step up, and that also means that the new Civic costs significantly more than the previous FC model. According to Honda, the 1.5-litre turbo engine has been improved from the previous model. The new improved VTEC turbo now pushes 182 PS and 240 Nm of torque, which Honda claims to be more powerful than a typical 2.4-litre petrol engine. Overall, that's 9 PS and 20 Nm more than the previous turbo engine. The engine is paired to a CVT, and there's now a new drive mode selector which lets you switch from Econ, Normal and Sports with a flick of a switch. The new Civic has a rated fuel economy of 6 litres per 100 km, and it can get from 0 to 100 in 8.3 seconds for the E variant. According to Honda, the new Civic design is inspired by the 3rd gen Civic from the 1980s, and you can sort of see some resemblance for the front. The bonnet line is higher and the nose is more pronounced in body color. The FECV doesn't look as sporty as the current FC model, as it no longer has the signature Ketam or crab claw rear lights. When I first saw the car from the rear, honestly, it looks more like a Honda Accord, which is a class above. Compared to the predecessor, overall it is 30mm longer, 3mm wider, and the wheelbase is longer by 35mm. However, the boot capacity is slightly smaller at 497 litres compared to the previous model that has a total of 519 litres capacity. As mentioned earlier, the RS is a top-line model and it comes with a couple of extra standout features both on the outside and on the inside. You get a lot of black trim and garnish on the exterior, like the matte black 18-inch rims, black shark fin antenna, and even the black side mirrors. You also get combi leather seats and steering wheel with red stitching. In addition, the RS also gets black headlining, front foot lamp, and also front door ambient lighting. Honda is raising the bar in terms of safety features by offering the latest suite of Honda Sensing Advanced Driver Assist features to all 3 variants. This includes adaptive cruise control with low speed follow, lane keep assist, and also autonomous emergency braking. There's also a brand new feature called Lead Car Departure Notification, which basically tells you that the car in front of you has started moving. This is great for drivers who often get distracted by their phones at the traffic lights. There's also Honda Lane Watch, which lets you view the blind spot from the camera that's mounted underneath the left side mirror. However, this feature is only available on the higher V and RS variant. To detect what's ahead, Honda has replaced the millimeter wave radar and a single camera combo with a new 100-degree wide camera. This allows a longer and wider detection, which should provide a better reliability for its advanced safety features. Also new on the new Civic is a larger 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Android Auto and wireless Apple CarPlay. However, take note that this is only available on the V and RS model, as the base model E gets a 7-inch touchscreen system that also supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The new Honda Civic for 2022 is priced from 125,000 ringgit for the E variant, and for the V variant, it's priced at 138,000 ringgit. Meanwhile, the range-topping RS model is priced at 144,000 ringgit. Yes, it's more expensive, but overall you're getting a significant upgrade in terms of performance, refinement, infotainment system, and also the advanced safety features. What do you think of the new Honda Civic for 2022? Let us know in the comment section down below. This is Alex from soyachincha.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, like us on Facebook, and don't forget to subscribe us on the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell icon so that you'll be informed of our future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!